For today's video, I will going to discuss the limitations of arrays: traverse, insert, deletion, and search. First, let's define what is arrays. Arrays are a kind of data structure that can store a fixed-size sequential collection of elements of the same type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. What are the limitations of an array? First, an array which is formed will be homogeneous. That is, an integer array, only integer values can be stored, while in a float array, only floating value, and character array can have only characters. Thus, no array can have values of two data types. Second, while declaring an array, passing size of an array is compulsory, and the size must be a constant. Thus, there is either shortage or wastage of memory. Third, shifting is required for insertion or deletion of elements in an array. Fourth, an array doesn't check boundaries. In C language, we cannot check if the values entered in an array are exceeding the size of that array or not. If data that is entered with a subscript exceeds the array size and will be placed outside the array, generally on the top of the data or the program itself. And last, this will lead to unpredictable results, to say the least. Also, will be no error message to warn the programmer of going beyond the array size. In some cases, the program may hang. Basic operations. Following are the basic operations supported by an array. Traverse means print all the array elements one by one. Insertion adds an element at the given index. Deletion deletes an element at the given index. Search searches an element using the given index or by the value. Traverse operation. This operation is to traverse through the elements of an array. Example: insertion operation. Insert operation is to insert one or more data elements into an array. Based on the requirement, a new element can be added at the beginning, end, or any given index of array. Here we say a practical implementation of insertion operation where we add data at the end of the array. Deletion operation. Deletion refers to removing an existing element from the array and reorganizing all elements of an array. Search operation. You can perform a search for an array element based on its value or its index. Example: